Good morning, student. Till now, we studied about the budget set, then the concept of budget, slope of budget line. So, last class we gone through the meaning of budget set. So, budget set means the available of the bundle to the consumer. So, change in the budget set. When the change happens, we gone through the meaning. The change happens only two times, when there is a changes in the price of the commodity and when there is a changes in the income of the consumer. So first one, when there is a changes in the income of the consumer, that time it affect to the bundle which is available for the consumer. If income of the consumer increases, the bundle which is available or the different bundle which are available for the consumer also increases. When income of the consumer reduces, the bundle which is available for the consumer also reduces. This is a positive relationship between the income and consumer preference or the consumer choice. Next, we are going to study about what happens when there is a changes in the other than income, another effect which will fall on budget set, that is price of the commodity. So what happens when there is a changes in the price of a commodity? Here we are taking two commodities. Now we are keeping the price of one commodity constant and we are taking the price of another commodity. We are keeping the price of OY or Y commodity constant, and we will see when there is a changes in OX commodity or X commodity what happens. So when the price of any particular commodity increases, when price of any particular commodity increases, the bundle which are available for the consumer is going to be reduced because you have to spend more money. And the same time, when the price of any particular commodity reduces, price of any particular commodity reduces, the bundle which is available for the consumer is increases. So it is a negative relationship. Why it is a negative relationship? Because when price reduces, the consumer get more availability or more bundles. It is not going in the same direction, it is going in the opposite direction. When price reduces, he will get more availability, and the same time when price increases, the chances or the bundle available for the consumer is reduces. Next, today we will go through the effect of the change in income with the graph. So the first point, suppose the consumer income changes from M to M1 but the price of the two goods remain unchanged. Now we are going to study the effect of income while keeping the price of two commodity constant. If there is an increase in the income, that is from M to M1, it is increasing from M to M1, there is a parallel outward shift of the budget line, parallel outward shift. When there is a outward shift, when M1 is greater than M1 means the income of the person is increasing. That time there will be outward shift. Outward shift means the curve will shift towards right side. If income increases, the consumer can buy more of goods at a prevailing market prices. The price will remain constant, only the changes will be there on the income. When there is an increase in the income, that present price, the consumer can buy more commodity. If income goes down, example, the M1 is lesser than M, there is a parallel inward shift to the budget line. Inward shift means it will shift toward your left side. inward shift in the budget line. When it is an inward shift, when there is a reduction in your income. If your income is reduced, that means it will shift towards your left side. It is, to understand, it is very simple. If income is increasing, it will shift right side. If income is reduces, it will shift left side. That's all. Inward means it is shifting left side. Outward means it is shifting right side. The available of the goods goes down. So this is the graph which explains the relationship of those commodity. So we studied when there is an increase of income from M1 to M. If M1 is greater than M, so there is a outward shift. So in panel B or graph B, you can see when M1 is greater than M, there is a shift towards right side, that is outward shift. When M1 is lesser than M, that is in graph A. When M1 is lesser than M, that time it is inward shift. Inward shift means towards your left. That is, we will call it as a inward shift. A decrease in the income causes a parallel inward shift of a budget line as in the graph A. So when there is a decrease in the income, it will shift inward, that is towards your left side. Second, an increase in the income causes a parallel outward shift of the budget line as in graph B. So as in graph A, it is outward shift. So this is the effect of income. Now we are going to study about the effect of changes in the price. So what and all the changes happen when there is a change in the price. Today I finished only the concept of income. Tomorrow I will explain what happens when there is a changes in the price, because today if I go to explain, you will get confusion. It can shown somewhat like this. So when there is a shift. So I hope you understood what happens when there is a changes in the income, and you know the effect when there is a change in the price. So let me give an idea. When there is a change in the price, we are taking only one commodity. So you can see in here graph, mango. The price of mango is constant. We are studying only the price of apple. What happens when there is a price of apple increases or when there is a reduction of the price of apple. So that you are going to study the effect or the changes in price. I hope you are clear with the concepts. If you are having any doubts, if you need any clarification, you can contact me. You can ask the question. So go through it and read well.